So guys, we're here right now at Davao City, Quezon Park. So I will show you how festive the celebration and lightnings of Christmas season here in Davao. Every year guys, this is the most awaited part of a Christmas season. This iconic, each year, every year there is a different motif and design inspiration. So this is the Christmas tree, and as you look around, there's so many people, you know, taking selfies and see. So it's so festive, and in this way they have their mass, something like that. And also look, Superman is here, and there is someone giving foods. Okay, all right. Thank you. The vendor is giving me this because there is a vlogger who brought all of this. So let's roam around here guys. Oh wow. Everywhere, every people taking selfies, the lovers. See, you know guys, if you notice, when you're here in Davao City, as you notice, everyone will using their phone without any hesitation of, you know, as snatchers or whoever stole your phone. No, we don't have that here in Davao, and I'm so proud of that. As you can see, they are everyone, you know, their bags, their phones, as you can see. So this is how the city, this is the very friendly city. Look. And even the trees are decorated. So there are some vendors here on this part. So yeah, so this is the king of all fruits, which is the durian. So durian fruit. Okay, let's roam around. So we will going to roam around from this point, and we're going to walk around there, and let's see. Okay, come with me. This is Davao City, and look, even the park is so busy. See, you can't even see a single rubbish or garbage anywhere. See, aside from this one, but maybe the Centro or City Environment Natural Resources personnels, they are the one who maintain the cleanliness of the city. And on this side, you can also saw here and buy here all the displays of Christmas, you know. See, and this is the entrance area, where that is also the back. Look guys.
Pauli na sila. Sarap.
Look at them. See? They are free. Jewelries. So here section. This is Quezon Park in front of the City Hall of Davao. So yeah, that's where we start, and now we're going to use these stairs. Look, it's really beautiful. I am just showing you not just the spirit of Christmas here in the city, in Davao City, but as also, yes, of course, to promote the city and to show you how safe here. Snatching is not really a problem here. As you can see on the videos, everyone are free to use and get out their phone, taking selfies, and yeah, everyone are free and they are feel so safe. So let's go for more, and I will show you more things here in Davao, because this is particularly St. Peter's Square, or it is also called San Pedro. This is like a center or a heart of Davao City, where so many tourists came here to relax and spend their holiday season. So this is the Rizal Park where the celebration happened. There is a big event will be held here. So that's a eagle inspired, and Jose Rizal, or the Rizal Park, is a name of our national hero, which is Jose Potracio Rizal. And as I've told you earlier, that there are some massage here, so like that, see, that's the livelihood program provided by the city government to give them a spot for them to have a place to do their business. And let's walk farther here. I will show you more. Again, this is in San Pedro Street, or Saint Peter, and we are here. So look, guys, vendors are everywhere, but you can see they have their, trash, something. And let's also take a look here, because we are heading to Sangguniang Panglungsod. So guys, this is Davao City. Time check, 9:38 in the evening, and as you can see, there is no so much people, except for that place where they can enjoy the Christmas lightnings. And by the way, this is the oldest cathedral of the city. That is San Pedro Cathedral. So we're going to take a closer look. So yes, so it's so quiet, guys, like someone are dating. Okay, so yeah, that's it.